Welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. I'm excited to record this video because I'm sharing how you can make money, good money, by creating a school community. School, the spelling for it, it's not like a school you go to, it's a school, see the spelling. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Sherifa Nakalema. I'm glad to say, I'm thankful to say that I changed my life from cleaning homes here in Virginia, USA, to working from home, from anywhere I choose, anytime I choose. And I want this for you too, because I'm about to show you, it's important, right? You want to choose when to work and what to do, and something you're passionate about. You feel me? I want you to decide how you want to make your money, and it's very possible. Okay, so in the school is like this. Without going into details of how the school was communicated, just know that the guru, Alex Hormozi, I don't know if you know about Alex Hormozi. The last time I heard about him said he charges, like his hour is worth at least $50,000. That's the person we're talking about. So he partnered with the school, and he said he wanted to show people without even any skills, you don't have to be an expert to do this, how they could make $10,000 a month as a business. You need to think of this as a business. So he demonstrated how this can be done. And if you get a chance to get in there, because they make it a game. It's like you have to afford to be able to do something to afford to go to get to see him. I mean, to watch what he says. And I've been able to do that. So that's why I'm sharing some things. Okay, so he wanted to show people how to do that. You don't need to be an expert, but you need to be passionate about something. So you come and create a community. Now I'm showing you two ways. In fact, before I even show you the two ways, let me show you what happened. Because as I'm recording this, it's the month of August, just ended, 2024. You may watch this later, it still be relevant. Some things are changing, but it will still be relevant. So what he did, he made it fun. Not just to tell you what to do, but he made people compete. So people compete, there is the leaderboards, he uses Skool Games. Okay, there is the school community, but then he created Skool Games inside the community to make people compete. So the best 10, like every month they're showing 20 people as they're competing. The way I'm about to show you how you compete to make the money. And then the leaderboard shows 20 people, and it's changing every day. So every month people compete. So they just showed, I'll show you what happened in the month of August. The winners. The best 10 are the winners, and they go meet him in Vegas. And then when he meets him, they meet him, you have to be interested in making more money and creating a business to do this. Because they go meet him, and let me show you, like he shows inside, when you get access to him, you see they show inside what happens when they meet him. He's showing them strategies, how to grow their business, and you're getting this for free. Remember, it will be charged more than $50,000 for his hour, but he's sharing free. But by the way, before you even get to the 10, because it's really hard to compete to be in the first 10, but even before that, if you can start a trial, which is free for 14 days, you get access to him. That's how I did at first, because he started trial, and he comes every Monday at 5 p.m. my time, it's 5 p.m. USA Eastern. Every Monday he answers questions. So that can get you to him too. But you have to be active. You have to be a certain level. By just liking people's comments, stuff like that, it puts you at a level where you can access him. That's another easy way. Okay, now, two ways to make the money. So let's assume you are not an expert, but you are passionate about something, or health, or relationships, or whatever you're passionate about, and you can gather people and they can come and talk, or you are in that community. The first way to make money is by charging a subscription fee for people to be in that community. Because to be on this platform where you get access to email, or capturing email, payments, and all that stuff, everything is inside. You don't have to pay an extra fee, but you pay $100 a month. Actually, I call it 100, but it's actually $99 every month. So you figure out a way to capture this, to get this money from the people who are gathered. Maybe people just enjoy having fun around. You can go on Zoom and talk. Whatever way you choose to communicate with them, you can do it inside. So they charge, you charge 100, you make sure you collect at least $100. That's one way to make money. Anything you collect over that is your profit. That's one way. Number two, but other people who have more knowledge, they are creating courses. They're doing so many other creative ways to make the money inside. But let's assume for you, you're not an expert. You're just passionate about a topic. So you all gather there, and you get people from Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, wherever they are, WhatsApp, wherever you communicate with people. This is international, by the way. You gather them in there. They agree to pay you maybe $5 every month or whatever, and it's continuous. Okay, that's one way. As long as you can get 100 within the first 2 weeks, because 2 weeks is free, you are good. Number two, another way you make the money is by doing what I do. Me, I'm an affiliate, by promoting this school. So as I'm talking to you, I'm actually doing both. I have people in my group, and I also promote. So when you promote, as people pay their $99, you earn 40% commissions. So you think of it like they're paying $100 and you're making $40. And this is continuous. So you can look at it in two ways. You gather people in your group and they are paying a fee as long as it covers the 100, but then you are connecting with other people who tend to have skills. People like coaches, people they value this more, business people. As long as you can sign up 3 of them, remember you're earning $40 for each person who signed up, and it's continuous, it's passive. You only need 3. So if you can have 3 people in there, or maybe even if that's all you did, it's enough, because they pay for your monthly. And then as you gather one more slowly. This is like ClickFunnels. I don't know if you know ClickFunnels. That's how they started. People were winning cars. That people were competing to bring in people in there, and they are making, at that time, it's like almost $38 in ClickFunnels. People really they made a lot of money because of that. This is similar. So you can come in with the intention of just bringing people who sign up for 100. They get a 2 weeks free trial, and you're making the $40. Especially if you're not international, $40 is good money. If you have 10 people in there, that's $400. You work hard and get 10 people in there, right? Especially if you're international, that's like a good salary in another country. If it's not USA, USA is very expensive. You need to make like $5,000 a month or something. Okay, so that's the 2 ways you make the money. But there are many ways. You just get creative. So what I'll suggest for you is either, please use my link, it's in the description, in the pinned comment also, and go start. If you start today and you start a 14 days trial, you invite at least 3 people to join your group, then they unlock things as you continue doing things. And if you sign up 3 people, then you can get in the Skool Games. You have to have 3 paid people to access everything, all the other nice things that I'm sharing here. You have to have at least 3 people paying in your community to access all that stuff. Okay, so that's what it is. I don't want to make this long, but you could come to my community, because if you come to my community, actually I just opened it up to make it a little bit free. By the time you watch this, it may have changed. Things are changing, but right now it was paid only, but now I'll open it up. I made it free for a reason, to give you a chance to see what I do. Then you can decide to pay. So I don't charge much. Some people are charging $999 a month to be in their community. Those are the experts. I charge only $10. Can you imagine? But some groups are $50 a month, $37 a month, like that. And I will also belong to other communities where I'm paying monthly. Then I bring the tips to my group, because I believe that we should all be able to have access to this stuff. That's why I make it cheap. I make just $10 a month. By the time you watch this, I may have changed it. Because I realize it takes time. I may have to hire people to manage it. So I may increase it. But right now it's 10. So if you watch this soon enough, it's 10. You come and be in my group. Then you learn, as you see how I do this, and I'll share some tips. Later you consider creating yours. But this is possible for me. If you can get to me, I share free tips. I like to share knowledge. So if you get close to me, but I'm becoming less accessible because I'm getting busy. But if you get to inside my group, you join mine, it's called Take a Step to a Better You. You're going to get access to my email and my WhatsApp. As of now, things might change. That's it. That's a message. You come create a community. It's international. And if you move forward and get in the Skool Games, you compete like those people. and you figure out how to make money. You see what others are sharing. They share tips. Keep watching what others are doing. Oh my goodness, we are ending poverty. You know, I started saying we have to end this poverty. This is one way we can end it. But in my group, by the way, I also, you may see me talk about it. You say, she always talks about affiliate marketing. Yes, I still do. Affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing, I still do. And I do those in my own groups. So if you want to learn those, digital marketing, I still share those. The reason why you see me very happy about this, because it's international. When I talk about digital marketing, I always say USA, USA. This is international, so we're going to do both. We learn how to do this. We also learn how to make the money. If you just want the affiliate market part, like where you promote other companies' products, you can be in my group alone. And I support you, and it's very, we combine with personal development. It's like we are dealing with, okay, my intention is to make sure you are happy. You are happy doing what you love. That's my mission. Come to my group or just go straight to the school. I have 2 links. One is taking you to me. One is taking you to Alex Hormozi. I think you're going to love it. You're going to see, woo, these young people, most of them are young, in their 20s, and they're mostly men, but there are some females. Like the latest leaderboard, I think 3 out of the 10 who won were females. I think I saw 3. I didn't put their names on there intentionally because this is information inside. I don't even know if I'm allowed to share it, but I just did. Just see the numbers, the amount of money people made. Remember, his goal was to teach them how to make $10,000 a month. See, the first one got $50,000, the one who was on top. But this is, they run it as a business, so they spend some money. That's not profit. That's the gross they made, and they made it from selling their courses, from subscriptions, from promoting this, and earning the 40% commission. So there are many ways they are making it. Okay, thank you for watching it. Please like, please share, bring people to my community. I'll see a way to reward you if you recommend my community, because the goal is change lives. Okay, thank you so much. Like I'll always end them, I say, take very good care of yourself, take very good care of your families, take very good care of your health. I've been live sharing. If you go to the live tab here on my channel, I've been talking about this a lot. And I record more videos like this, sharing more and more. Okay, take a step to better you. Please subscribe to my channel if you care about better life and making money. Take a step to better you. Bye-bye.